Unless it goes against, like I did a sermon on how uh, Christians are supposed to tithe and how tithing is 10%, but then in the Old Testament there were more, like we had the poor tithe and we had the Levites and we had all of these things, and if you total all of that up, it really is 23%. And so if people today have a hard enough time giving 10, and God commanded 23 in the Old Testament, but then in the New Testament, talked about how Jesus said to people, hey, if you have 2 tunics, get rid of one, keep the other. That's 50%. Or he told the one rich man, go and sell everything you have, follow me. That's 100%. He told all the disciples, leave your boats, leave your nets, leave your family, follow me, 100%. He told some other guy who said, oh, first let me go and bury my father-in-law or my father. Let the dead bury their own dead. Follow me, 100%. And so he made it even harder. And of course, when I preached that sermon and posted that video, it had a lot of people angrily commenting on the topic of money. And so anyone posting positive comments helps tremendously, because I think a lot of times most people are afraid to post positive things or things that go with biblical concepts because they don't want to be attacked, because they don't want to be challenged, they don't want to be trapped in their words, as these 2 gentlemen who have left stated, and they're afraid, they're ashamed to do that.